Hello, my name is Chris. I'm with Crossbeam Builders, and we're here today in Murray at our greenhouse project we recently finished.
Hi, my name's Sarah with Crossbeam Builders. I'm here today at our custom greenhouse that we've built in Murray, just a few steps away from the primary residence. You enter this room and you're transported to a serene, vibrant area that's filled with natural sunlight. From the ceiling to the floor, everything in this room has been customized to our homeowner's vision.
So this is kind of a fun little detail where we have water that we can water the plants, and we have a drain, and then this well is really deep, so we're not really worried about getting too much water in this area. Really, we want to maintain a certain level of moisture in here. We enlarged the windows from the original design, and it took quite a bit of research to identify the right kind of glass. There's 4 or 5 different glasses that are available, and this specific glass allows the light to get through without any kind of a low E coating or filtering, so the plants will really benefit from that. The gravel bed here is about 3 foot deep, so it's below frost line, so we're not worried about any kind of heaving or frosting. This is kind of a unique situation here, as this is an exhaust fan like you would typically find in a greenhouse, controlled by this thermostat right here. So if we get above a certain temperature or the humidity gets too much, we can turn that on, and that'll turn over the air in this area really quickly.
It brings me a lot of joy and pride to see our clients super happy and energetic at the end of projects. We put a lot of time and effort into making sure that everything goes over without a hitch.